Hi, I'm Joseph.
I'm Mario.
And this is your MUHSD Minute.
Freshman students from around the district attended an anti-vaping seminar at the Downtown Theater in Merced. Students learned about the damage that vaping can do to their bodies, how to spot when someone they know is vaping, as well as healthier alternatives. District special education and transitional students participated in the Diversability workshop held at the Merced County Fairgrounds. At the event, students learned about job opportunities and how to make themselves a desirable candidate to prospective employers.
We want everybody to know that even though we do the job differently, we get it done too.
Livingston High held a parent coffee social to update them on the latest happenings at LHS. During the event, parents got a preview of the school's upcoming workshop on the Nurtured Heart approach. And Buhat Colony High held a PBL showcase with a poignant theme, the Holocaust. Students created displays that paid tribute to those whose lives were impacted and answered questions from the staff and the community about their topics. That's your MUHSD Minute. See you next time.